Hey everyone, and welcome back to Bronco Wild Outdoors. All right, today's video is on the follow-up to the MIC top repair. This is where I made the little sleeves to go on top of the pins, the guide pins on the roof panel on the MIC top on my 22 Badlands. So if you remember, I had the popping, clicking, a lot of people's had that noise, and I decided to do something about it. And the pin that is actually right under here was scraping on that bracket. It's kind of a hard plastic pin. So I put heat shrink tubing over top of it, cut little sleeves, slid it over the pin, and it worked on my Bronco. So we're roughly 1,000 miles since that. We've had the top, the panels, the front panels on and off several times, and there is no more noise. Actually, check out this video from a recent trip to Corolla Beach on the Outer Banks of North Carolina and see what you think. Is this like a stress reliever for you?
It's so fun. Just kind of fishtailing. It's like a dead bird. Good Lord, it looks steep.
All right, so there you have it. I didn't hear any noise. I don't know about you, but yeah, there is no popping noise in this. Gavin, what do you think about that?
Awesome.
Awesome?
Yes.
Thumbs up. So you're pretty happy with that, right?
Yes.
Because was it getting on your nerves?
Yes.
All right.
'Cause
So
going down the rope.
that's right. So there you heard it, or there you didn't hear it. No more popping noise. About 1,000 miles since we did that. We've had the panels on and off several times and no noise. So I'm happy with it. Can't recommend anyone do it, but I can tell you I did it to mine and it's worked great. There's no issues with it, and so we're happy with it. We've had it top on and off several times, or the panels, and put them back and kind of bounce around some pretty cool stuff there at the beach, wouldn't you say, Gavin?
Yes.
Well, that's it. Hey, if you haven't already, please like this video. And Gavin, what should they do with the channel?
Like and subscribe, turn on post notifications so you'll get notified when a new video comes out, and help us out and put the notification set to all.
There you go. Good job, man. Thank you. All right. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate you watching each and every week. We try to do these videos to be informative and sometimes funny, like Mr. Gavin here. Sometimes he dancing. He's cold, actually. It's kind of chilly out here. So, all right, there you go. Our 22 Badlands. The top is not making noise.
21 Badlands in the garage.
21 Badlands over there. Yeah, we're happy with it. We're excited. Super stoked that we don't have to deal with this. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you.
Bye.